Million views, 1 million views, 600K views. After 1 year in shorts, I have finally figured out the blueprint for consistently going viral. Today, I'm going to pass it on to you. Here, I will tell you how creators gain millions of views by following this simple roadmap. Focus up and let's get started. The first trick is to create high-quality videos. If you don't have a good camera or proper equipment, that's okay. Focus on making high-quality art. If your art is good, people can ignore other things to some extent. But if you improve those aspects too, your chances of going viral will increase even more. The best thing you can do right now is focus on improving your art. When I started posting shorts on my YouTube channel, the drawings that were personally better always went more viral. My editing quality and video production weren't professional at that time, but most of my views came from how much people like my art. So the first point is, whenever you create art, make it the best you can. Even if you post less content, make sure it's high quality. Good art equals more views. The second and most effective trick for me was following art trends. Art trends are one of the easiest ways to gain views. The advantage of the art community is that new trends keep coming regularly, and by following them, you can gain a lot of subscribers and views on your channel. Whenever there's an art trend, you should try to follow it. If you do, your views will increase automatically because the audience is already interested in that content, and it's being pushed more in their feed. People are more likely to watch it. And if you combine this with the first trick, having good art, then people will naturally feel more connected to you and will want to follow your channel. Anyone who consumes art content first cares about how good the art looks, so quality always comes first. After that, you should consistently follow trends. But there's one more trick that's even more important than both of these, which I'll share at the end. For example, recently there was a friar in drawing trend where her face looked a bit unusual. If you made a short on that trend, your chances of going viral would be higher. Similarly, there was a Chinese dance trend, like a military-style dance. Making content on such trends also increases your chances of going viral. In every art community, a new trend usually appears every 2 to 3 weeks. If you create your digital art around those trends at the right time, there's a very high chance your videos will get a lot of views. Now let's move to the final trick of the video, and this is the most important one. You know that no short goes viral randomly. There's always a reason behind it, whether it's the design, quality, or the art itself. These things matter the most. But instead of guessing, why not use already viral trends as a blueprint? Whenever I create my art videos, I analyze the most popular shorts and then make content based on them. Most of my popular videos are inspired by something that has already worked. Because of this, I get good engagement from you guys. Now, many of you might be thinking, I want to create something unique or start my own trend. And I agree with that. But first, you need to build a strong audience. If you already have an audience, your videos can go viral even if you try something new. But if you try to create a trend right now, most people might ignore it. It's not impossible. But if you want fast growth, use videos that have already gone viral as your blueprint. This is the most important tip because I also follow this strategy to get thousands and even millions of views on my videos. By following this, your videos can get the maximum number of views. And one more tip, always observe what is going viral and what your audience likes. Whatever your audience is enjoying the most, you should post more of that. Because of this, my shorts started going viral and I began gaining a lot of subscribers. From one of my shorts, I gained around 0.1K subscribers. And if you're a beginner, you need to follow all the tips. All right, that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. And let me know in the comments which trick you're going to try first. Stay consistent, keep improving your art, and I'll see you in the next video.